In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Clickup Workspace ID in just 5 minutes. A handy piece of information for anyone looking to streamline their workflow, integrate applications, or simply navigate Clickup more efficiently. Let's start with the basics. Your Clickup Workspace ID is a unique identifier for your workspace. It's a critical piece of information for various operations within Clickup, such as API calls, integrations with other applications, and for direct links to specific areas of your workspace. Our first step is pretty straightforward. You're going to navigate to the Clickup website. Make sure to go directly to Clickup's main page. Once there, take a moment to appreciate the design. It's always nice to see how user interfaces evolve over time. Once you're on the main page, the next step involves logging into your account. This is where you'll need to enter your email. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your ClickUp account. Accuracy in this step is crucial to ensure a smooth login process. Following your email entry, you'll be prompted to enter your password. As with any secure platform, make sure you enter your password carefully. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's usually a straightforward process to reset it. After entering your credentials, it's time to hit the login button. This should take you to the main dashboard of your ClickUp environment, a space where productivity meets creativity, so to speak. Now, for navigating to your workspace, look for the home option in your ClickUp dashboard. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, make sure to navigate to the specific workspace for which you require the ID. This might be named after your project, team, or the company. Within your workspace, you will find several settings and options. What you're looking for is the Settings option. This is usually indicated by a gear icon and can be found in various locations depending on the ClickUp layout at the time of your access. Once found, give it a click. Next, you'll want to locate the Spaces section within your settings. Spaces in ClickUp allow you to organize tasks, documents, and goals by team, project, or whatever categorization suits your fancy. It's within these spaces that the real magic of organization happens. After opening the Spaces section, you'll see a list of the spaces within your workspace. Here's where it gets a tad more interesting. You'll need to select a space by clicking on it. After selecting the space, look for an option that says something along the lines of Go to Space. This action navigates you deeper into the specific area of your workspace. The final step focuses on the URL in your web browser's address bar. Once you've navigated to your specific space, take a peek at the URL. It should look something like a web address followed by a series of numbers. This series of numbers is what you're after. That's your workspace ID. It's a unique identifier that tells ClickUp and any integrated apps exactly where to send or pull data from. Remember, this ID is unique to your workspace. It's like a fingerprint for your digital workspace environment in the vast ecosystem of ClickUp. Knowing how to quickly find it can save you a lot of time and hassle when setting up integrations, sharing direct links to your workspace, or troubleshooting with support. A pro tip before we wrap up: keep your workspace ID somewhere safe yet accessible. You might not need it daily, but when you do, you'll be glad you don't have to hunt for it again. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to find your ClickUp Workspace ID. As you continue to explore and utilize ClickUp's diverse offering of features and tools, knowing how to navigate to essential information like your Workspace ID will only make your experience smoother and more productive. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Explore, experiment, and most of all, enjoy streamlining your projects and tasks with ClickUp. Stay productive.